Hi viewers, this is another video of the Osclass tutorial. So now we will discuss about the permalinks. Permalinks are friendly URL, as you can see here. This is about us page. So if this would be not checked, so here after the backslash you would might see lots of text here which is not recognizable and not easy for you to remember. So you should always check this to get this precise and short ID for the page. After that we will go to the spam info bots. Spam bots are automated system who can post ads, multiple ads and spam ads to your site. So by forbidding such posts, you should get this accessment key, API key. As you can see, this is a valid key. I have the key already. If you don't have the key, here would be somewhere a link. You can click it, it will take you there. From there you can get the key and you paste it here, and this way you will be able to get this key, and after that you will have to save it. The same here for the reCAPTCHA is also for the security reason, that the one who is posting ads into your site is not a software but a human. So they will have to fill this required field. So as I have the key but I have not enabled it because I have some issue with my website, so I haven't checked this, but you have to check this, and you will also have to get these two keys. As I have the key, if not, you will see a link here. By clicking that, it will take you there. From there you can get those keys and you can put here, and after that this kind of image will appear here and you can save it. So that would be your reCAPTCHA enabled. Okay, the next thing we will discuss is about secure currencies. So these are currencies installed my website. If you want to add new, so you can click on the new. It will open the configuration. Here you can add the currency code, like this one, and you can symbol, which is might be this one, and you can also insert the name for the currencies. You can save it. You will be able to get your currency here, and from here you can delete any of the currency if you want. But if some users are using these currencies, so you will not be able to delete any of these currencies. Okay, the next thing is mail server. The mail server is the server that if the person will post it, or they will sign in, so all the email goes to admin, to the admin or to the user. So all will be sent if this part of the mail server is configured properly. So here we can also use Gmail server, but I am using the custom server, my custom, which is my domain name. So the here host name should be localhost. Mail from, you can not insert this here, but it is important that when someone will get the email, so he will be notified on the upper top left side that this email has been sent from this website. So the username of your email and the password here is I have just removed because for the security reason, and this SMTP should be enabled, and after that we will save changes. So it will be configure accordingly. And the next thing is media. Media is also an important setting. From here you can set that what should be the thumbnail size, what should be the preview size, and what should be the normal size. That's up to you. You can just put these up, but I have added all this by default. I have not changed it for my custom. The original size, keep original image. So it can take your hosting space, your physical memory, but you have to check this. Force JPEG extension. Upload image will be served in a JPEG, JPG and JPEG format. If it is in any format, but if it will be uploaded, it will be converted into JPG and JPEG format. Force image aspect ratio, I have disabled it. Maximum size is 2048. And image magic disk library, this is very important, very important. So you should have this thing. If it is not available, you should ask your hosting to enable this for you, because this thing this is a smart thing that it's faster and consumer less resources than GD library. So it make your website fast, not so slow, and the process will be fast. Okay, watermark. If you want to put your own watermark on your website, so here are none. Text, image, I am using the image, and it should be PNG files, and this is the position. Center, it will be center. You can also to the top left, top right, you can reposition it. So this is for the media. In the next video we will discuss about the latest searches in advance, the rest of the thing. So take care, see you in the next video.